Growing up, I was, something my mom would say a troubled kid. But like, I don't really think I'm a troubled kid. I think I'm a pretty misunderstood kid. Like, you know what I mean? And but I feel like every choice I make in my life is right though, you know? It's like I don't ever do anything wrong, you know? Everything I do has motive behind it. You know what I mean? It's like I'm such a good person. So me being arrested shouldn't be the case, correct? But it's like, look at me. Like, do I seem like the type of person to do that? I'm a businessman. You don't want to feel the pain, but you told your mama I'm the one to blame. Right? I do look like a businessman. I mean, I feel like is a mugshot really necessary though? Damn, I really am a sexy motherfucker, huh? Yeah, I am. Life is hard being such a sexy human being. It's like I don't really know how I go on with that every day. It's like, it's like every day I try to do something so that I'm able to nerf myself so I'm not as attractive as I am, but it's like it doesn't always go in my favor, you know? And it's like it's really a struggle if you think about it, because it's like people think it's not a struggle, but it is a struggle because now you just can't get eyes off of you, and like you know what I mean. And it's like I really hate being this attractive. It's like I wish there was someone who could humble me, but there isn't. Oh, and my time in that vehicle, I was reflecting a lot, and I composed a song. Dude got 4 grand. You you want to do something strange for a piece of change? Do I not get any discount for being a sexy ass nigga? Can I sing you my love song first? And if it's good, can I get another grand off? Can I get uncuffed so I can, get my beat right? Well, not my beat, but I was writing my own instrumental. I understand. Just a reminder, this song comes from the bottom of my heart, and I can't wait to play this for my future wife. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. I know you love me, I know you care. Wish I would never, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. So we ain't idle, girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? For the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 oh. That's about all I have for now. I ain't gonna lie. I still gotta work on it, but you think I have a chance with my crush? That's cool. I'm just looking forward to my future marriage and to be able to perform the song I wrote for her. I feel like she'll enjoy it.